Greetings, and welcome to the SIESTA Lab. Today, Christoph shows us the Nautico steel hammock stand and walks us through setup and assembly. Let's go! Nautico is a lightweight, durable stand for all types of hammocks, with or without spreader bars, and is available in two sizes, king size and double. Quickly assembled in just a few minutes, it's easy to maintain and can be left out in the backyard all year long, without any problems or worries. No tools are required for assembly. Everything you need is already in the box. First, let's start by assembling the central bar and the feet, which clip into place. Next, we'll secure the sidebars with a screw. The height adjustable tubes make it easy to find the right position for your hammock. And that's it. We're already done. Just hang your hammock, adjust the height if necessary, and your nap can begin. If you prefer spreader bar hammocks, no worries. The Nautico also works great with any style of hammock. The stand is lightweight and portable, and can be easily moved if there's too much sun or too much shade. Thanks for watching. Have a great nap, and see you soon.